A series of events held across Bangladesh to mark East Turkestan Independence Day, where activists highlighted Chinese atrocities upon minorities, predominantly Uyghur Muslims in Xinjiang province. Since the Chinese forceful occupation of East Turkestan, now Xinjiang province, in 1949, human rights situation there has worsened dramatically, culminating in genocide continuing till today. Human rights groups, NGOs and other organizations organized various programs all across Bangladesh accusing China of persecution of Uyghurs. To mark the day, ulemas and imams held a meeting at the seminar hall of National Press Club, whereas a street play using the unique Uyghur face masks and flags was held at Shahabad near Dhaka University. They also organized a human chain holding banners, posters in front of National Museum, where people congregated to watch and participate in the human chain.